forecast. The river is expected to fall below flood stage Saturday morning. Flood stage is 16.0 feet. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. This is NOAA weather.
Fréquence 162 080.
Broadcasts from the National Weather Service in White Lake at a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. Here is the forecast for the northern suburbs. Early this evening, mostly cloudy with numerous showers and thunderstorms. Near steady temperature in the lower 80s. Northeast winds